Hi, my name's Scott Andrews. I'm the owner and operator of this Nanchang CJ-6 that I imported from China. It's a ground attack fighter trainer from the Chinese Air Force. We'll be operating them as a formation flying team in the air show on Saturday. We'd like to encourage everybody to come out and bring their children as well. So it's a wonderful experience, especially for the young ones. It brightens their horizons and gives them inspiration. We have a lot of fun doing this in public displays and shows, and enjoy taking kids and putting them in the cockpits and get their pictures taken.
Santa Fe ground. How about experimental Nanchang 469 Whiskey Tango, flight of 3, Capital Aviation, taxi with Papa. Roger that. 3 Yankee Kilo, runway 20, 1200, 10, clear to land.
The formation flight will be done with 4 aircraft. They're similar, and we'll be doing different formations with 4 aircraft close together as we come by the crowd show line. Today we're going to go up on a short wheel hop. We've strapped some cameras to the aircraft to show you just what the aircraft's capable of, maneuverability wise, and part of the formation flights that we're going to be doing for the air show. And with that, we're going to be doing possibly a couple of little rolls, a little loop, depending on the cloud deck that's out here today, because it's a little overcast. But Saturday should be a good day for the air show. So please come out on Saturday, come have fun with us, and enjoy this wonderful Santa Fe Air Show.